Hello guys, our review channel Gadget Pro. Okay, real deal. If you thought the WH-1000XM6 were too tired, Sony just decided to hold my beer. The brand new WH-1000XM6 headphones are here. And yeah, they have got some serious upgrade that make them one of the best noise cancellation headphones you can buy right now. So let's break it all down. No flip, no hype, just what do you need to know. Don't skip this video till the end. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. Alright, starting with the design. The XM6 look pretty familiar, right? Same sleek minimalist aesthetic as the XM5. But here's the catch. They are more compact and finally featured a foldable hang again. Yep, Sony brought back the foldable ear caps, so they fit better in your bag, measured in for travelers. And ear cushions softer than your. If you are wearing these long flats or Zoom marathons, your ears are going to thank you. Now let's talk about sound. Sony didn't just tweak things, they went deep. The XM6 now has a new audio processor and custom designed drivers that deliver richer, more balanced sound. Whether you are vibing to dark or zooming out with lo-fi, or catching every details in the Hans Zimmer soundtrack, the XM6 handle it all with crisp size, warm and deep bass that doesn't overwhelm. And if you are using LDAC with higher audio, yeah, it's kind of insane. Plus there's this extreme, which aptly compares to audio, great if you are streaming from Spotify or YouTube. Okay, now shut up the show noise cancellation. Sony was already the king, but the XM6 takes it to the next level. Thanks to an upgraded noise cancellation processor and more mics per air cap. It blocks out everything from plain engine to annoying keyboard clicks. Not to hear someone, the ambient mode is super natural, you will forget you are even wearing headphones. And get this, the adaptive sound controls automatically adjust based on where you are. Home, train, walking, what you are. Of course, this headphone are smart. Like really smart, you are got to speak to chat. Take off the headphones? No. Start telling any airpods is your music. Touch controls, swap to skip up to post super intuitive. Multi-device pairing, finally rock solid. Switch from your laptop to your phone without hassle. Voice assistant supports. Works great with Alexa and Google Assistant. Battery life still best mode up to 30 hours with ANC on. At quick 10-minute charge gets you 5 hours of playback, that's clutch. So should you get this WH-1000XM6? If you want a classic lady noise cancellation premium sound smart features that actually matter. And to tire comfort, then yeah, these are the ones to bet into the 25. Retail price around $399. But you will probably see these especially around holidays. Sony didn't just play it safe home. XM6 is an evolution, not a revolution, but it is a smart move. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Thanks for watching more video. Don't forget to like, and if you haven't more gadget reviews, I update to subscribe it in the bell for all those gadget videos.